Hello children, welcome back to the English classes. In last class we have studied question answers. Today let us begin with activity language development. First one, complete each sentence with the help of the given pictures. We have to see the pictures and complete the sentence. Observe this. What is this? This is egg. So directly we cannot write egg. So we have to use the article. An egg is oval in shape. Okay. Next one is the moon and the stars. The moon and the stars shine in the sky. So by seeing the pictures we are completing the sentences. Next one. The big yacht is the big yacht dash. What is it doing? It's sailing. So we have to complete it like the big yacht is sailing. Next one. Amita and her family lives in a small house. We have written lives in a small house by seeing the picture of this small house. Understood children? Next one. Second question. What are the animals in the picture doing? Look and say. Observe here children. 5 animals are there. Crocodiles, giraffe, zebra, python and rabbit. Crocodiles are swimming in the water and giraffe is eating leaves from the tree. And zebras are grazing the grass. And here python has coiled itself to the branch of a tree. And rabbits are digging burrow to live inside. Let us see. After observing all these things, we have to match the column A to the B. Match the animal names in column A with the correct part of the sentence in column B. And make sentences that tell what each animal is doing. Write the sentences in the space below. We have to match the sentences, complete the sentences by matching the column A and B. Just now we have observed the picture, right? The tall giraffe. The tall giraffe. What it is doing? The tall giraffe is eating green soft leaves, isn't it? So we have to write this one. First one. The tall giraffe is eating green soft leaves. Next one. The crocodiles, what they are doing? They are swimming, right? Let us search swimming sentence in this B column. Yes, here we got. Are swimming in the pond. The crocodiles are swimming in the pond. Let us write the sentence. The crocodiles are swimming. Observe children, I am touching the line properly. You too have to touch the line. Don't forget line concept. In the pond. Third one. The zebras. What zebras are doing? Yes, they are grazing the grass. Let us see that kind of sentence can we get here or not? Yeah, here we got. Are grazing the soft grass. The zebras are grazing the soft grass. Let's write it as a sentence. The zebras are grazing. Grazing means they are eating the soft grass. Next one, fourth one. The python. Python means this big snake. What it is doing? It has coiled up itself to the branch of a tree. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. The python is coiled up on a tree. Let us write it as a sentence. The python is coiled up on a tree. Last one, fifth one. Two rabbits. What they are doing? They are digging, right? Let's see. Yes, two rabbits are digging burrows. Digging andre ತೆಗೆಯುವುದು. Two rabbits are digging burrows. B-U-R-R-O-W-S. Burrows means hole underground. Next one. Writing skill. Write 5 sentences on my family in your notebook. You have to write 5 sentences. You have to write it by your own because you know better than me about your family, isn't it? So write 5 sentences like you are staying with your grandparents and your house is in this area and you always go to the garden every weekend, like that. So you can make 5 sentences and add it in this question. Next one, speaking skill. As we all know, students, for this corona pandemic we cannot meet each other and we cannot see your cute faces, dear. So let us do this speaking skill whenever our class starts. Let us go to the activity. Grammar. Verbs, action words. Verbs means action words. For example, reading, writing, jumping, dancing. These all are verbs. The words which shows the action are called verbs. So by using those verbs, we have to fill in the blanks. What do Tarun and Tanya do every Sunday? Fill in the blanks with the words that name the action. Here they have given some pictures. By seeing those pictures, we have to fill in the blanks. Seeing those pictures, what they are doing, Tarun and Tanya, we have to fill in the blanks. First one, Tanya, what she is doing? She is giving water to the plant, no? So for this one, verb is watering. Tanya is watering the plants in the morning. Watering. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G. Watering. Next one. Tarun dash his bicycle. What is Tarun doing here? Yes, he is washing. You also wash your bicycles, no? Very good. Keep your bicycles, your toys cleanly. Okay. Tarun is washing his bicycle. I-S is W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing his bicycle. Next, what Tanya is doing here? Tanya dash a letter to her grandparents. Yes, Tanya is writing a letter. I-S is writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Tanya is writing a letter to her grandparents. Next one. Tarun dash piano lesson. What is doing? Tarun is playing piano lesson, isn't it? So is I-S is P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing piano lessons. Tanya dash a story book. What she is doing? She is reading, right? Exactly. Tanya is reading, reading, reading a story book. Next, Tarun dash for tennis practice. What is doing? He's going, no? Yes. So we have to write Tarun is going. Is G-O-I-N-G, going for tennis practice. So these are the action words. Action words means verb. Watering, washing, writing, playing, reading, going. These all are the verbs. Action words are called verbs. On these verbs only, let us see next question. What do the following people do? Okay, so who is he? He is a baker, right? We can see baker in the bakery. A baker dash cakes and cookies. What he does? He does, sorry. Baker bakes, no? Yes, we have to write bakes. B-A-K-E-S. A baker bakes cakes and cookies. Next one. Who is he? Who is he, children? He is a doctor. Very good. A doctor dash his patients. What does he do? A doctor treats. T-R-E-A-T-S. These are also verb, action words. What he is doing? Baker is baking. So, baker bakes cakes and cookies. Or we can write baker baking cakes. A doctor treats or treating his patients. A cobbler mends the shoes. M-E-N-D-S. Mends the shoes. Cobbler, right? He is repairing the shoes, no? So, a cobbler mends the shoes. A soldier dashed the country. What does the soldier? Soldier guards our country, right? We will be safe here. If a soldier is working hard on the borders of our country, we are safe here. We are enjoying all the festivals, right? So, soldier guards, G-U-A-R-D-S, guards the country. Sorry. So, here we finished our lesson number 5, Nathuram. So, children, I hope you all enjoyed this session and write all these things in your classwork. I'll be sending the PDF what to write in classwork, and also I'll send the PDF of this textbook. Okay, you have to complete this textbook work also. Send me the images of classwork and as well as textbook. Let us meet in next lesson, children. Till then, take care. Bye.